It's Megan from the Placer Mosquito and Vector Control District. Today I'm sharing a drone mission we did in September to help control mosquitoes in Placer County. Our drone program at Placer Mosquito actually conducts larval mosquito treatments to help control immature mosquitoes before they become biting adults. It also takes cool pictures, but that's not what we're talking about today. Today we're sharing a drone mission in beautiful Lincoln, California. Here you can see that Agras is treating an irrigated pasture about 12 feet in the air. For this mission, we used 57.6 fluid ounces of larvicide and treated about 3.6 acres with a flight time of 17 minutes and 31 seconds. Fun fact for this mission, the Agras treated the pasture's furthest point 2,100 feet away from the drone pilot. It was a successful mission. Check back for more drone missions soon, and for more information, visit placermosquito.org.